Hello. Shit. Hello, shit. Hello, welcome. It's Rhonda of Rhonda Said, and I hope you're having a great day and not knocking over very expensive moisturizers onto the floor from your desk this beautiful day. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. And just to let you know, today I feel a little fancy. Not necessarily the same kind of fancy of the Made Famous by Reba McEntire song fancy. I may be poor white trash, but fancy is my name. It's Rhonda. I just feel a little fancy. A little good luck horseshoe. Just so. Perfect. So, I hope you're having a great day. I said that. I hope that you will be happy to hear what I have to share with you today, because I made a mistake. Yes, I made a mistake. I make mistakes all the time, as do we all, because we are all what? Human beings. And I had made a video about this palette, the 1UP palette, and I can't find it. I've lost it. But the 1UP palette is from Lethal Cosmetics. It's got a hologram little screen right there. And it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful palette. It's player 1 and player 2. And I did a look with player 1 in that video, but I did not do one with player 2. So today, even though, I don't know, they're so pretty. They're so pretty. They're beautiful. For Spacious Skies, for Amber Waves of Grain. Let's do some live swatches. I'm going to swatch, this is high score, and this is bonus. Oh, look at, how can I not use these colors? They're gorgeous, and they have a little bit of shift to them. You gotta love, I love anything with a little bit of shift, except for a shifty nature. Don't be bringing me no shifty nature, but do bring me nature. I'm such a dork. But anyway, I'm gonna do a look with player 2. These colors swatch amazingly beautiful, fantastic. Just everything that you'd want in a palette comes from Lethal. Lethal is very wonderful. I just love the color story. It's so bright and bold and colorful. Totally 80s reminiscent. I'm going to start with Game Over. This beautiful pink shimmer in my crease. Oh my God. Look at that, it's so pretty. And I'm just gonna do a fun look. And it's pink with a gold shift. Because it looks so pink, but just look at that shift. You can actually see the shift. It's very beautiful. And it's gonna be probably a very colorful look, because this is a colorful palette. What have I been doing? I've been relaxing, chillaxing. I've been going through my clothes, and I seem to have a problem. I like to buy clothes. Hi, my name's Rhonda. I'm a shopping addict, and I am getting ready to sell a bunch of clothes. They're all mostly Torrid, plus size clothes. In the very near future. So if you guys are interested in that, if you would like to shop my stash of clothes, and I'm thinking about doing kind of some fancy palette declutter and selling some of my fancier palettes, let me know if you'd be interested in that. Because if you build it, they will come. I'm gonna go into this purple matte joystick. Oh my God. That is so pigmented. Oh, I'm going on real soft. I'm going in real soft with it because it's so pigmented. It is beautiful. And it looks really nice with that Game Over color. Oh, wow. I'm just going so light with it, with a fluffy brush. Just go in a little bit more. Bring it over here. So yeah, so I'm going to be selling some of my high-end stuff. I've got a lot of, maybe even some Pat McGrath at big palettes. But for sure, I'm selling some Viseart, some Natasha Denona, some Lethal Cosmetics, all kinds of nice indie brands. And if you guys are interested, then we can work on that together. Because I'd be happy to sell some of the things that I've barely used, because most of my things have only been used once or twice. Because I usually just record things and then move on to the next thing. So you just let me know if you're interested. I'm gonna go in with Bonus, which is this lavender shimmer on the inner corner. Onto the lid. That is so pretty. That is really pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. That is so beautiful. And this is like not so crazy so far. Not so crazy. It's pretty damn good. I'm really digging it. I'm going to go in with High Score now into my outside corner for some depth. I don't know how this is going to go on as far as it being such a beautiful shimmer, because the shimmers are softer than the mattes, like texture wise. Wow, that is really beautiful. It is just melting in to the other colors. And I'm still getting that depth and the darkness that I wanted, but it's such a beautiful shimmer fest that I can hardly take it. It's so beautiful. And it looks all pastel-y because I went in soft with that joystick purple color. Look at that. Wow, look at this shimmer and shine. It's beautiful. I'm going to be finished. No, I'm not going to be finished. I'm going to use the same brush and go into Hit Point. And it is a matte. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. I'm so crazy. Oh, yeah. That's good. That's real good. That's really good. That is a beautiful look. This palette is so good. I'm really having a good time with it. Let's do some liner and mascara and be right back. Voila! Voila. It's voila. Voila. Look at this mascara. Look at this eyeliner. It's Haus Labs eyeliner again. And this is the Dark Star mascara from Pat McGrath. I'm sorry, it's Fetish Eyes. Fetish Eyes. This mascara is so buildable. without getting clumpy. It is fantastic. It is fantastic. I love it so much. I'm just picking up random mascaras now, going, don't you wish you were as good as Pat McGrath? They really wish that they were. And for my lips today, I'm going to go with my Neutral Classic Seductress because I don't want to take away from the beauty of this eye look from Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. And that just is a beautiful look. I'm just loving it so much. I should really get paid from Maybelline for as much as I use their lipsticks and videos, but that's fine and dandy. I hope you've enjoyed watching me make this beautiful, beautiful look. It just blended in so well. It's just so beautiful. And this is the 1-Up palette from Lethal Cosmetics, and I hope you have a great day or day of your choice.